Hey, what's up guys, Ali here from isocialyou.com, and in this video I want to show you a very simple tactic that you can use to attract the right type of fans and followers to your Facebook page and boost your engagement, and without paying anything. It's super simple tactic. So I call this commenting as your page. So you're gonna leave comments on other pages as your business page to attract their audience. So let's jump into this. So here I am. Here's one of the pages that I manage, Ventura TV Video Appliance Center. It's a local business in Fresno, California. Now let me show you something. If you scroll down on a page that you manage, you're gonna see this section, pages liked by this page. So this is a page that's liked by, or these are the pages liked by Ventura TV, not Ali Mirza, which is myself on Facebook. So if you click here, here are all the pages that have been liked by Ventura TV. Now let me show you how you can do it. Now one thing you have to remember is make sure you like pages that are relevant to your business, meaning they should have the target audience that you want. And here's an example. This is a local business in Fresno. We want local people from Fresno, so we liked one of the major newspapers. So let me open that in a separate window. And the way you can like other pages as your page, it's super simple. You'll click on these three dots, and right now I've already liked it, so it's probably gonna tell me unlike as your page. If I had not liked it, let's actually see if we can do this. I'm gonna click on unlike and hit submit, and now the Fresno Bee has been removed. There you go. So let's refresh this. Let's go back on the three dots. Like as your page. Facebook is a little slow today, so bear with me. So here we are. So we can select the page that's relevant and submit. So now it's gonna appear in that box, pages liked by this page. Now that's only the first step. The second step is, and I would suggest you do this, spend 15 to 20 minutes every week and maybe schedule it on your calendar. And actually I would say pick any day, Friday, weekend, Monday, whenever, but spend 15 to 20 minutes doing this. And now we're gonna pick some posts, and you may actually see we've left some comments before. Alright, so here we are. So let's say this post has a lot of engagement, 35 likes and 12 shares. So that's a good thing. And actually, if you pick the content that has more engagement, that's better, because then you can attract more people to your page. Now, if I leave a comment here like this, so if I say test 1, 2, 3, it's gonna leave as Ali Mirza, myself. So we don't want to do that. We want to comment as our page. So for that, I'm gonna click here and select the page. So make sure you change from your personal name to the page inside this box, and now you can leave comments. So let's see what this post is about. It's about gray whales coming up California coast. There we go. So again, I'm just doing it for the demo purposes, but we all know this, the more relevant your comments are, the better, because more people will engage with you and more people will click on your page's name and check you out and then go follow you. So this is a simple tactic. That's it. It's a 3-step process. Step number 1, you identify 10 to 15 pages that have the same audience that you want. And step number 2 is you go like those pages as your page. And then step number 3 is you spend 15 to 20 minutes every week leaving comments on those pages as your page, and that's how you can attract more relevant audience or people to your page, increase your fans and followers, and also boost your engagement, because people following through you to your page are more active or engaged people. Now if you have any questions, leave me in a comment. If you want to know other tactics about Facebook marketing, Facebook ads, how to increase Facebook engagement, leave your specific comments below and I'll make sure to address those comments, and maybe I'll pick one and make a video in the future. Also, make sure you do subscribe to my YouTube channel. This channel is dedicated to marketing hacks and experiments that are simple like this and that you can use to boost your marketing and grow your business online. Thank you for watching.